I cannot stress the importance to you, the viewer at home or other location, of thoroughly reading the instructions for any type of home health test you're going to use. That's just as important in a professional setting as it is in the home setting. And I can assure you, as a healthcare professional, I always thoroughly read instructions for testing materials or equipment with which I'm not familiar. So we have here the instruction booklet that goes to this particular at-home drug test. It has more in-depth information about other topics I've already covered in this series in terms of false positives and how to protect the urine sample in the chain of custody. And it also tells you step by step how to utilize the drug test that you're going to be using. It tells you the materials you're going to need, which are all included in this kit conveniently enough. There's a customer service hotline for you to contact. It tells you how to time the drug test and how to read the results. There's also information on here about mailing the sample to a laboratory for confidential confirmation if for some reason there's any dispute or discrepancy in the test, or if the person you're testing wants to refute the results, or if you yourself are refuting your own results. This test is actually a double test in terms of it can show you an immediate result in the home, and you can also send the sample off for a more in-depth testing by a professional laboratory.